Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1961, Walt Disney dedicated the Snow White Wishing Well and Grotto at Disneyland. This picturesque spot for making wishes, taking photos, or even getting engaged started with an anonymous gift, Carrara, marble statues. John Hench figured out where to display them and how to use forced perspective and a waterfall to disguise that, well, all the statues were all the same size. The wishing well that collects donations for global children's charities was installed to prevent kids from jumping into the water, and, well, this started 65 years ago today. Have you been there? Do you love it? I sure do. I think it's a really pretty place. Anyway, have a magical day.